facing where the new gooseneck will be installed. That's gonna fit the clip to put it back together easily. Obviously, I will have cut to get the pipe coming through, but this is just an example. 2 layers of caulking, one under, all the way around that key line entirely. Then again, in that key line, a lot of caulking. Then we'll put that new gooseneck back in. All the way where you want it. As we're gonna put screw with rubber washer in this location, that with a permanent roof you don't have to come back ever. Now in, you just take your caulking and then put more caulking again all around the gooseneck. And again a bit of locking, and then you lock the shingle in place back. Nail your shingle back under. And then we're ready to lock everything back together. Simply press with your hand and put the clip back.